Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So today, I forgot what I was going to say. So today, I'm going to show you guys how we were able to use the original 60 steering column and shaft with the 80s power steering box. Let's go ahead and get into it. So for those of you who are in the middle of trying to get power steering on your truck or older car, you probably noticed that you're going to run into some issues in terms of using the old steering column in conjunction with the new power steering box or newer power steering box. So in order to use a 60s C10 steering column and shaft with an 80s C10 power steering box, you've got to be able to splice and connect the 80s C10 steering shaft with the 60s model steering shaft. Essentially what we did, we put the 80s C10 steering shaft up against the 60s C10 steering shaft, cut them both. Then what we did is we just got a little piece of round metal tubing that was just wider than both of the steering shafts after we'd cut them. And then we just put both the steering shafts into the coupler. We drilled a hole for each steering shaft and put a bolt through each steering shaft to keep it lined up with the coupler. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to weld everything up and it'll be good to go. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some clips of how we did that. That does it for us today, guys. I hope this was useful to you guys out there who are doing the same thing or are trying to mate different types of steering boxes to your original steering shafts and columns. Anyway, I'm going to try to have a video up next time of us working on the brakes. So we went ahead and ordered a power brake kit from Performance Online. I'm hoping to get that in and do an unboxing for you guys, as well as how we're going to set it up on the truck. I'm also going to try to get footage of us running the brake lines because I know that can be a headache and I know it might be useful to see how other guys are doing that as well. In essence, I'm going to try to put a video up of us from start to finish installing the brake kit, and I hope that that's useful to you guys. So anyway, if you like what we're doing so far on this channel, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and I'll see you guys next week.